They don't arrest commercial driver because they catch am with 2 human heads. Hey, 2 human heads. And this is why they talk like this. It happened for Ondo. And the people wey catch this man at the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, they catch am. And they talk say as they stop in car, now so they just say, you know how these people they do, they start a search. They just see one carton. As they open this carton, hey, now 2 human heads been dey inside that carton. Chineke. They go ask the man, say, una know normal level. They go ask and say, where do you come from with this thing and where you dey carry and go? Abi person send you or something. You understand? They come dey question the man. Una no go believe wetin Mr. Saka talk. Na him name be that Saka. The thing even sound like Saka wa. Now so this man come dey talk say, no, say may they forgive am. Say no be in fault. Say na the devil cause am. You understand? Say make hey, devil. Devil go dey in own. Una go just, in fact, una go just dey call am. Una go dey wake am up. Una go dey call am. And when he wake up now, una go come dey call God. I don't understand why una life just dey confusing like this. As I dey talk to una now, this man dey police. They don't hand am over to the police because this matter dey dangerous. Hey, 2 human heads. I don't talk say goat head though. Me and you, human being. No, not me and you, sorry. Human being head. Now they catch. He hold on like this. Hey! Oh, bara Jesus. Oh, bara Jesus. Where una want make we go? Where una want make we go? Make una start the talk now. You use legs, bandits go worry you. You travel by road, bandits go worry you. You say, okay, make I use aeroplane. You go meet Boko Haram there. You say, okay, make you enter car. You go meet driver where they use people for ritual. I mean, where una want make we go? Now, my question now. Make we start to get plan B and plan C. Oh. Hey! Chineke. If I say we go start to transport ourselves now spiritually. If you want go, maybe your state, maybe your village, just lie down, sleep. Spiritually, you go just appear. If I say now, wait till we go start to do now. Because there's no other way. Oh. I'm not sure say another way dey. Driver. I should say this driver na ritualist. If not, wetin they do with 2 human heads? This no, wetin no, they use and do wetin? Na beans? Abi na yam. This man na ritualist. I don't know wetin una dey think. Lazy people just full everywhere. Una no wan die, but una wan go heaven. Now the same thing now. Una no wan work, but una wan money. How you go dey do rituals and you still be driver? I no be one expensive driver like that to where we go say, okay, they drive the president, or they drive kabu driver. How? And you they do rituals. No, make una calculate the maths now. You know they heavy. Even inside your stupidity, you know even they wise. Inside your own stupidity self, wisdom no even dey inside. You know, say you know just get sense. You know just dey see am. I know they support bad thing, but they tell una something. See, if you want do something, do am. If you want do something, do am. Not when they do something bad and then you still they look stupid on top of the bad thing way they do. Wait be the thing. You they do rituals now to get money, abi. But see, you see the car self. You still they drive. Hey. Oh God, Africa. Why we say we just like they suffer? Even they say they don't destine Africans to suffer. They don't because I don't know how even they see this matter. Oh. As me and you they yarn this talk now, 2 people don't die. And only God knows whether not the first 2, maybe other ones don't even happen before. We don't even know, but maybe we just talk based on the one way we they see. As we they talk now, 2 people don't die because of waiting, because of one man. Because of one man. Make una dey careful the kind cars wey una dey enter. Especially una wey no fit dey one place. Dey careful. I no just dey talk based on this driver, this man. I no dey talk based on this man. Many of them dey there where their car even look sweet. Where you go dey tempted to enter inside. Dey careful the kind car wey una dey enter. if your money reach make you enter bus tro abeg enter o. No go dey talk say what will they think of me, what will they say. If you are bothered about what people will say, you would have made money before now. No come dey tell me say what will people say, what will they do. Shine una eye. In fact, shine and pass torchlight sef. Na leg no dey one place. I dey sure say now even the 2 heads wey this man carry na 2 slay queens. You know they hard una any small thing una just jump. Una go dey do like winky winky, kinky winky, all those. Una no dey sit down for one place. Any small thing una just jump. Continue. I be this one na kabu kabu. Una go talk say after all me I don't enter such cars. I enter expensive car. Even the expensive cars now, in fact na them even they do and pass because they know say una no go even expect them. So make una continue. Now here I go there and I go still bring una matter. Wetin concern me? Kilo call me. I beg my people now the matter with this, so start to drop the comment for that comment section and I go reply on one by one as usual. Make sure say you subscribe. See this face. I dey tell una subscribe. In fact, na by force subscribe. Waiting. You go die if you subscribe. Just click on that thing. I dey joke, you know. I beg make una share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen right now for Ondo. E dey very very important so that all of them go dey alert. You understand? Very very important. Thank you guys for being here. Stay tuned for our next story. I don't bring una update. this one na bomb. E dey scatter everywhere. Una remember 13-year-old boy wey go sleep with his sugar grandmother? Una no go believe the unbelievable wey just happen. My people, I don't find out the whole gist. Una no say that time I tell una say make una dey online because I go bring una update. My people, the thing don't happen now. Say the boy himself. Oh, make us sit that way. Now that boy himself call this woman. He not just call am. He ask her may bring what did they call that thing? Sleeping tablet. Because the boy gets siblings for house, you understand? And if the siblings they are awake, alpha show no go down. So he asked the woman say, okay, I should come bring sleeping tablet because my siblings are around and they are awake. Ngwanu, the girl can't agree. The girl can't come with the sleeping tablet. The boy himself now even go pay for the taxi we bring this woman. After I pay for the taxi, now there he realize, according to Ramo, he say he realize say, if he want change his mind, you say this thing, you don't want to do him again. And by that time, it's already late because the woman don't if now you before uncle. See, we must finish waiting, we don't start. So the woman can't say no, say we must finish this thing. The boy even want force the door, say make she no enter. Now so the woman, you know, say you know see the woman as she get weight and they occupy space. She just push her. Now so this woman enter the house, boom. To my surprise, this girl now will show for now we don't know what it mean prostitute. And the initial agreement before be say after they go down, you understand? Say the boy go give her $20. Later now when they finish the servicing and the service, now so the lady can't change her mind. Can't tell the boy say no, say I know they take $20 again. No, say as they see me like this, I pass that level, so now you go give me $120. Bam! Hey, una don't see trouble before. Now yet trouble even starts. The boy no get the money. Nobody there where the boy if even ask for the money, and they don't already do the do. So waiting will come happen, my people. Now so this boy start they run helter skelter. They knock from all the neighbors' house. Say abeg borrow me. Where you dey work when you want borrow $120? Hey. Finally, the neighbor when you go meet, that way be like say he can't get cash, but he need find out inside this matter. And so the neighbor comes and say, this your age, wait till they find this kind of amount of money for. To hold and behold. And so this boy just narrates everything. Now that neighbor can't carry phone, call this boy grandmama. Where this woman they run, almost kill himself because of this thing. As she reach house, now so she meet them. My people. No, because I told her before say when this matter first come, I told her say see, no just side anybody. We need balance this thing well. Because children of this generation, una no know them. They carry. So 13-year-old boy now, they carry Olosho. 13. Let me say by the time you reach 20, you go get like 6 wives. And then how many children? For this year. My people, this one no be rape case now. No, before we been saying a rape case, we dey talk with them. I bet this one no be rape case. See, they even agree. Price even enter inside. Ah, I beg you. See, I know they say any rape thing here. They enjoy themselves. The boy they conscious like he know. Now he even call am. Wetin I dey talk? No, which man town I want bring now? Where I want change wetin I just dey think. Wonder will never end. No, now they believe that statement. Wonder no go ever end for this life. Now many of una dey laugh. Oh, many people just dey laugh. If na man now do this thing to one small girl, our feminists they go come outside. They fit even kill this man self only with their English. Feminists they sabi speak English. I dey wonder which school they go. No, check them. Every feminist where you see, they get if they start to talk about human rights, about this one, 13-year-old, 13, even no drugs. I beg, hey, where this one they go, sir? Sorry, alone. Hey, you know drug, you know how to make person sleep to achieve evil thing. I beg, lock two of them up. Me, I don't even want anything. These two people, lock them up. Anything will make this boy mature to know drug. He supposed make him mature to enter prison. I don't want to know. Because this thing now, we don't fit just blame this lady. Now, why they told this to say, imagine if this lady now get better lawyer. She go win this case. Better lawyer or those ones will go school. She go win this case, finish. Because she go even get evidence. They chat. The boy, they chat. Everything they. She get evidence, number one. The boy himself, now he call her. His neighbor even they aware, saying he go ask him for $120. See, many things. She fit just win this case once. I beg government of Zimbabwe, all of una, all in one. Make una start they do something concerning this case. And not be just this boy, because I dey sure say many people still they go through this kind of thing. All these young children. I beg check where. Because cases like this, they plenty. I make una start to do something about it. I beg. I see. I they believe in una government. Oh, I they believe. See, oh, wait till I talk. Zimbabwe government. I believe in una government. So make una know for my hand, because una better pass some people. I no go mention name. You understand? Una go they see small children in wetin they call those things, adult sites, dating sites. I don't even know the names. All those places where people they chat, do they get relationship? Una go they see them inside that place. 19 years, 15 years. What una they find? Now so one day I go say they go print a work. If una see how cyber cafe full with underage, everybody they in front of computer. What una they? Now so my friend come tell me say say now now white people they chat now relationship now money. I can't see that say God. Which kind of word we just like everything just rotten. Everything just rotten. No, you not even see one thing way fresh. Your mates. Make I tell you where your mates dey. They school. They school. They even they compete. Say we go carry first position, second position. Some of them even they travel. Say they go for mathematics competition. You now to they carry your mama age mates. Now the only one way you know. You even know drugs on top. I don't tell you this thing before. Make una shine on an eye on top this boy. Because the level where this guy go bring next, the next matter where we go bring here for this boy head, una go dey shock. So make una abeg shine on an eye. The grandmother or the mother or police or government, all of una for Zimbabwe, start dey look deep inside this matter. And as I talk before, not be just this boy. Start dey search. Go cyber cafes, go all those places where you know say they operate. Say no to all these things because they spoil this society. Seriously. Now this woman don't enter trouble because of this one foolishness. In fact, all of herself just foolish. My people, it shock una. I'm not saying go shock una. So now the matter be this. So start to drop the comments there. Whether you think say wait till the boy do they right. I be made they still arrest the woman. I be made the arrest two of them. Anyone when you think, drop them for that comment section and I go reply on a one by one. Share this video, very very important. Zimbabwe people they need no say person like me don't they talk their matter. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go they miss everything where we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.